Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials: updated Xbox Series S, controller connected, and a stable internet connection. Next, pick a video file, 1080p or 4K works best, and place it on a USB drive or accessible network location. If you prefer deeper control, enable developer mode now, otherwise use the built-in media player app. Once done, launch the app and browse to your video. This gets you immediately into the file selection step, so you can convert it to a background. Now convert and prep the clip. You need a short loop, typically 15 to 30 seconds, so it runs smoothly without stutter. Use developer mode tools or a PC encoder to trim, compress, and set resolution and aspect ratio for the dashboard. 16:9 is common. After export, transfer the file to the Xbox using USB, a network share, or deploy through dev mode. Make sure the file name is simple. Then verify playback in Media Player before attempting to set it as Wallpaper. Finish by opening Settings, then Personalization and My Background. Choose Local File and point to your prepared clip. The console will preview and apply it as the live wallpaper. Allow a moment for caching. If the file is rejected, convert to MP4H. 264, reduce bitrate, or shorten to about 15 seconds because encoding limits often cause failure. If artifacts or no background appear, restart the Xbox and clear system cache. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves the majority.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.